The second sentence is this. Jesus Christ knows all you have cried for. The speaker indicates the object to receive the definition of the transitive verb knows from the subject, Jesus Christ, in the main clause, with the subordinate clause, all you have cried for, linked to the main clause by the pronoun all as a subordinating conjunction. The speaker indicates the object of the transitive verb knows with the subordinate clause, all you have cried for. The pronoun all, applied as a subordinating conjunction in the subordinate clause, is the object of the preposition for to have received the definition of the preposition for from the listeners as the subject of the preposition for during a period until the present when the speaker declares the completion of the experience. This sentence is integrated from the two clauses. The first conference to be the main clause is this. Jesus Christ knows every reason. The speaker applies the determiner every to set the entire of the transitive verb knows in the range of the object indicated by the general noun reason in the phrase of the noun every reason. The speaker indicates the entire range of the object indicated by the general noun reason. The second clause to be the subordinate clause is this. You have cried for a reason. The speaker applies the pronoun all as a subordinating conjunction because the object of the transitive verb knows indicated by the phrase of the noun every reason corresponds with the object of the preposition for indicated by the phrase of the noun a reason. The speaker links the subordinate clause to the main clause because of the accordance between the phrase of the noun a reason and the phrase of the noun every reason. The speaker replaces the phrase of the noun every reason into the subordinating conjunction all to indicate both objects. Then the second conference becomes the subordinate clause linked by the subordinating conjunction all. The third sentence is this. The rainwaters all needs to be purified. The speaker indicates the object to receive the definition of the transitive verb waters from the subject, the rain, with the subordinate clause, all needs to be purified, linked to the main clause by the pronoun all as a subordinating conjunction. The speaker indicates the object of the transitive verb waters with the subordinate clause, all needs to be purified. The subject of the transitive verb needs, indicated by the pronoun all, applied as a subordinating conjunction, is singular and does not participate in the conversation with the speaker. The pronoun all indicates the subject in the subordinate clause. The subject indicated by the pronoun all is described by the predicate in the subordinate clause. The form of the transitive verb needs reveals that the number of the described subject is singular. The described subject does not participate in the conversation with the speaker. The sentence is integrated from the two conferences. The first conference to be the main clause is this. the rain waters all. The second conference to be the subordinate clause is this. The wounded needs to be purified. The speaker applies the pronoun all as a subordinating conjunction because the object to receive the definition of the transitive verb waters from the subject the rain, indicated by the pronoun all, corresponds with the subject the wounded, described by the transitive verb need. The speaker links the subordinate clause to the main clause because of the accordance between the phrase of the noun the wounded and the pronoun all as the object in the first conference. The speaker replaces the subject the wounded and the object indicated by the pronoun all into the subordinating conjunction all. And the speaker states the predicate of the second conference. We will study about the subject of the second conference, the wounded. The wounded is classified collective noun. Indicates a group of subject the subject, the wounded of the transitive verb needs is same as the collective noun to indicate a group of subjects defined to contain the definition of the past participle wounded that has a trait as an adjective. The speaker in a linguistic group defines a group of the group has the trait defined by the adjective wounded. Because the abstract definition of the adjective wounded is able to be accepted in a different degree. Each speaker can include various subjects in the range to define the collective noun the wounded. So each speaker in the linguistic group can accept the definition of the adjective wounded in a different degree. A subject with a slight degree of the trait defined by the adjective wounded can be included in a group by a speaker or cannot be included in a group by the other speaker. The number of the subjects included in the range of the indication, the wounded, which is according to the definition of the indication, the wounded can be different from each speaker. So the indication, the wounded, is classified as one of the abstract nouns. We can say that the indication, the wounded, is not agreed in the linguistic group. The indication, the wounded, is classified into the area of the abstract noun. Thank you for watching.